December is the month of reflection, the month when you feel you want a calmer, clearer, more mature start. That's why I've chosen 7 powerful books. Books that truly change your thinking, your energy, your direction. And they are the perfect start for a cleaner, lighter new year. Books that help you build habits, let go of what drains you, and understand yourself better. So hit subscribe and let's get started. 1. Mindset, Carol Dweck. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year is the best time for personal growth. This book teaches the power of a growth mindset, helping you face challenges, learn from failures, and start a fresh page with confidence. 2. Tiny Habits, Fogg. Why is it perfect for the new year? Big changes start with small habits. This book shows you how tiny daily habits can make a huge difference over time, making it ideal for starting the new year without pressure. 3. Essentialism, McKeown. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year calls for focusing on what truly matters. This book teaches you how to prioritize and let go of what doesn't serve you, opening space for your real goals. 4. The War of Art, Pressfield. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year is about taking real action. This book exposes the inner resistance that holds you back and motivates you to overcome fear and procrastination to achieve your dreams. 5. The Art of Happiness, Dalai Lama. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year needs positive energy. This book shows you how to build genuine happiness from within, independent of circumstances or life's challenges. 6. Grit, Duckworth. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year requires perseverance and passion. This book teaches that persistence and passion matter more than talent, making it the best guide to achieving your goals. 7. Start with Why, Sinek. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year calls for clarity of purpose. This book teaches you to start every action by asking why, so all your choices have meaning and direction for the year ahead. Choose one book, or 2, and give yourself the start you deserve. A new year doesn't need running. It needs awareness, calm, and a small step taken sincerely. And maybe, just one book can change everything.